For me, that combination is a game changer. And that's la pièce de la résistance. Make sure your oven is on full hack, about 275 is perfect. Now, our flavor combo. First up, two beautiful Cumberland sausages. I put it on a medium-high heat. You have to start pinching the end like this, and then you're gonna squeeze out all the meat inside. I've made essentially like 6 or 7 meatballs. Wash your hands. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan just to get the part going. I just want to get a little bit of color in the sausage. Now just slice one red onion as thin as you can. Sprinkle into this lovely fat a little handful of pine nuts, a little handful of grapes straight into this pan. Look at that. Roll out a pizza dough, cherry tomatoes, squeeze them, a topping on the top. Rosemary and grapes, they are like a match made in heaven. Thing you're gonna do is mozzarella. Into the oven. Okay, 10 minutes up. Boom! Come on, look at that.